Within the last 6 months, I've made over 20 million naira from my online businesses alone, which includes trading the financial markets, CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and other digital products that I do, like my online courses that I sell. So when I call myself the master of money, business, and life, your MBL master, is no joke. So if you're watching this right now and your monthly income is not up to 800,000 naira or 1 million naira on a monthly basis, then you need to listen to me. I am launching an MBL Financial Upgrade Masterclass, where I will teach you every skill I know that has helped me to make over 20 million naira within the last 6 months. So you might ask yourself, so what will I learn in this Financial Upgrade Masterclass? Number one, you will learn how to land CPA deals that will pay you in thousands of dollars. Number two, you will learn how to trade the financial market profitably. Number three, you will learn how to build websites or landing pages. Number four, you will learn how to create graphics design that is catchy in order to start creating content online. Then, how to convince people. How to increase the perceived value of a product or service. How to find and attract your target audience and build a mass following of leads so fast. How to structure your page and content in order to attract followers. How to avoid the rookie mistakes that most people make that make them fail or drag along and waste time, and so much more. And in case you're wondering, do I really need to attend this masterclass, or who is this masterclass really meant for? 1. If you are still stuck in 9-to-5 job and you desire to get out, then this is for you. 2. If your monthly income is not up to 1 million naira on a monthly basis, then you need to attend this Financial Upgrade Masterclass. If you've been desiring to know how to make money online legitimately, then the MBL Financial Upgrade Masterclass is for you. Congratulations. If you need an extra source of income to add to your present stream of income, then you need to attend the MBL Financial Upgrade Masterclass. And also, if you desire to make your first million as soon as possible, don't hesitate to click the link to join the MBL Financial Upgrade Masterclass. I'll see you.